Hey, we're at Micheal's Spring Meadows, not far from Toledo, Ohio. Here's their Halloween stuff.
Turquoise is in.
Turquoise ribbon. And move steps so it's getting jerky, but woo, scared. Look at those.
The Boo Crew.
Melissa's showing the Boo Crew. Then we got these. Hocus Pocus, yeah. I see
Because the movie's coming out this October.
with Beth. And I forget who else is on it. Trick or treat.
I think it's filmed.
Pumpkin.
It's normally filmed in Salem.
We got some pumpkins. Here's pumpkins. Welcome Farm Fresh Pumpkins. Football. Here's some autumn leaves. Here's some pumpkins you can paint. They got a bunch of stuff. Yeah, they got those painting stuff. They got more pumpkins, porcelain stuff. These things actually light up. Well, they got the solar thing, and I think this does too. Yeah, I guess it can go outside possibly. Here's some wood cut out ghost pumpkin. Oh, these light up inside, you paint them. There's some Halloween stuff. There's a spider. Ooh.
There's the Halloween aisle over there.
Yeah, I'm gonna show it. There was some people down there. She wanted me to show the Halloween aisle. They got a bunch of pumpkins here. Where oh, I didn't.
Don't miss the nutcrackers. People
Halloween nutcrackers. Look.
There I am.
Hey, ladies.
There's the head.
Ooh, scary. Don't be a basic witch. These are bats. These are neons. There's a ghost.
But the big question, are you a pink witch or are you a purple witch? Hey. Are you a pink witch or a
The
purple witch?
witch is in pink or
Purple.
purple. Different colors on some of these. They got a bunch of these skulls. Okay, we'll serve some meals. Hello, welcome to Micheal's. This is some Halloween stuff. And I forgot to put my glasses on so I can read. Love potions, love you to death.
Perfect.
Home sweet haunted home, rest in peace. Look at these. Do these work? Oh yeah, look. Hourglasses. See it? The scene's going down. Somebody turn some of these over. We gotta turn them all over, reset them. Okay, boo. always saying that. This is welcome. Wants me to show you that. I don't know. There's people down there, so we'll have to wait. Got those before. Seeds, ingredients, till death. Turn I don't know if they play. No.
Actually, this is only $29.99. I really like this, but it's damaged. It's cracked on the top.
She said it's cracked.
I really liked it, but it's like, it's not worth it if it's damaged.
Wait, quit looking at me. She wants me to come here. Pretty. Pretty. Very pretty. Hocus pocus. It's all about a bunch of hocus pocus. Skulls in a bird cage. Extra poison. Witch's brew. The growth of warts. Used deadly for fresh breath. Bat breath. Do not freak me out. Are these all the same? Crush skull. Trick or treat. Nevermore. The raven. Bouncing around here.
Pumpkin with a gold snake.
She said pumpkin with a gold snake. We'll get to it. This thing's not working. Bat breath. Blood potion. Poison. Your clock. I don't know if the clock works. It may. It's a cord, so maybe it does. Brains. Skeletons down here. Pumpkin things to hold stuff in. Skeletons. Find what you seek. Cobweb Dust, Vampire Pathways, Toxic Pumpkin Toss